Imagine playing Monopoly, but no one ever explains how the bank works, and somehow the bank always wins. That's how the real money system works. Most people work with money every day, but almost nobody understands the system underneath it. Money feels stressful, complicated, never enough. So people blame inflation, they blame their jobs, they blame themselves. But there is the truth: you're not bad with money. You were never taught the rules. If money is just paper or numbers on a screen, why does it control your life? Here is the first illustration. Modern money isn't backed by gold, it's backed by trust, collective belief. Your paycheck isn't wealth, it's a promise, a claim on real value. If people stop believing in that promise, it disappears. If tomorrow everyone wanted pizza instead of dollars, pizza becomes money. Now this part matters. Most money is never printed. It's created when someone borrows. Banks don't lend existing money. They create new money digitally. That means money enters the system as debt. No borrowing, less money. Every loan has interest, so more money must exist tomorrow than today. The system doesn't grow from saving, it grows from borrowing. Why debt feels normal? If debt fuels the system, spending must feel normal. That's why everything is financed. Cars, phones, lifestyle. That lets you feel rich today and paid for decades. It's time travel, but future you get the bill. While you are paying, you can quit, you can risk, you can slow down. You are not trapped by chains. You are trapped by monthly payment. Here is the shift. People who understand money don't avoid the system, they use it differently. Most people borrow to consume things that lose value. Others borrow carefully to buy assets, things that can generate income. Same tool, different results. Debt isn't the enemy. Blind debt is. Let's simplify. Money is belief. Most money is created through debt. Consumer debt limits freedom. Assets change direction. You may not control the system, but you control how you move inside it, and that changes everything. If this helped you see more differently, subscribe. More videos like this every week. And tell me, what money rule did you stop believing today? Write in the comments.